Hey, it's Jones with Pool Warehouse, and I'm here with Dana today, and we're looking at the Mountain Loch above ground swimming pool. Now, this pool kit is one of our top selling above ground packages, and I think the main reason is this earth tone colored wall. It's got a lot of taupe in it, it's got some sand in it. It's really a timeless looking wall and will look good in any backyard. Now, this pool is packed full of a lot of great features. Dana, why don't you tell us about a few of those?
Absolutely. So the Mountain Loch is a beautiful kit. It is a 52-inch wall, galvanized steel-based kit. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, that means that this top seat is going to be 6 inches wide, all galvanized powder coated, same as these uprights. It's a 5-inch upright, all galvanized powder coated as well. Has galvanized top and bottom tracks. The wall in itself is galvanized as well with a resin coating to help protect that for you. The thing I really love about this kit are these extruded resin connectors on the top and the bottom. They give this kit a great fit and finish to look amazing in your backyard.
Some great points. Now, if you get this pool and you say, well, what do I do with it after I receive it? You can always hire someone to build it for you, but you could DIY build this pool yourself. We have a great educational video that will teach you how to put this pool together step by step. We encourage you to check that out, see if this pool is a right fit for your backyard. If you have questions about the Mountain Loch pool, feel free to give us a call, or you can always visit us online at poolwarehouse.com.